In this how-to, I'll be showing you how to press metal. Now, aluminium sheets like these are used in phone cases, dog tags, signage and a number of other things. To press them, you'll need a flatbed heat press like our 38x38 here, a pair of heat gloves to protect your hands when handling the metal after pressing, some heat tape and the printed design. Now we recommend trimming every edge of the printed design to ensure no unwanted ink gets transferred onto your metal. And with that prepped, let's get pressing. Start by preparing your sublimation metal sheet. Most metal has a clear protective film applied to it. Ensure this is removed before pressing. Now take your printed design and put it face up. We want to place the metal face down onto the design. Use heat tape to fix the design into place. Next, set your heat press to 200 degrees and 30 seconds. Ensure you wear heat gloves whenever operating a heat press to protect your hands. We place our metal sheet onto the bed of the heat press, face down. The heat will pass through the metal to prevent ink mottling and patchiness on the transfer. Now our design has some bleed around the edge. This means ink is overhanging the metal piece. For extra protection, we're going to add another piece of blank paper over the top of the metal. We'll then place our PTFE sheet over the top of this. This just ensures that no ink transfers onto the bed of the plate. With that in place, we can then clamp our heat press closed and press for 30 seconds. Once your press beeps, we can remove the metal from the press bed. Remove the design straight away and remove it in one swift movement. And here is our final pressed image. As you can see, the colours are bright and vivid and the image is very crisp and clear. Now it completely differs to the printed page. Never judge the printed page to be your final product. Always press the image first and you'll find that it changes colour and comes out a little something like this.